In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot website. We'll start on your HubSpot home screen. From here, open the Website Pages tool. This is where you'll manage all of your site content inside HubSpot's drag-and-drop builder. In the Content Manager, choose to create a new website page. This opens a guided flow that lets you pick a starting point and move straight into editing. When you're prompted to select a template, choose a blank page for this example. A blank canvas is great for learning the layout tools because you'll see exactly how each section stacks and behaves. Inside the page editor, click Add Section. Sections are the building blocks of your page, each containing groups of modules like headings, images, buttons, and forms. Browse the available sections and pick one that fits your goal, such as a hero banner, a features grid, or a simple text block. After inserting it, you can edit text in place, swap images, and adjust alignment and spacing in the sidebar. Click Add Section again to continue building. Mix and match additional sections, testimonials, calls to action, footers, until your layout tells a clear story from top to bottom. As you add content, aim for consistent fonts and colors, keep paragraphs scannable, and leave comfortable white space so the page feels balanced. Give your page an internal name so it's easy to find later in the content list. This name is for your team's reference and often informs the default URL slug, so keep it tidy and descriptive. Now add your page title. This is what visitors and search engines see, so make it clear and benefit-driven. Keep it concise, include a primary keyword if it fits naturally, and avoid repeating the same word at the start. Preview your work to see how it looks to visitors. Use the preview to check desktop, tablet, and mobile views, and scan for spacing issues, long line lengths, or buttons that wrap on smaller screens. Read your headlines out loud. If they're easy to say, they're usually easy to understand. Head back to the editor when you're done previewing. Make any quick refinements while everything is fresh in your mind. When you're satisfied, publish the page. Before you do, make sure your custom domain is connected in HubSpot, so the page goes live at the right address. If your domain isn't ready yet, you can still save your work and publish later. After publishing, open the live link, test any forms or buttons, and update as needed. HubSpot makes republishing seamless. That's it for creating a HubSpot website page from scratch. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.